Today is a special day for my children. Anna, Jack, come here, please.
Here we are, Mom. What do you need?
Look at this list. Can you be big shoppers today?
I see apples and bread. We need milk and eggs, too.
And carrots and juice? That's 6 things.
We need some apples, some carrots, bread, 1 milk, 1 juice, and a box of eggs.
We can do it. We'll find everything on the list.
Are you going to the market? What a big adventure.
Be careful and be good. We believe in you.
We'll be back with everything. The market is not far. Let's walk together.
First, we need apples. Where are the apples?
Here it is, the friendly market.
Let's go inside. Wow, look at all these colors. So many things.
Look, apples. There are so many apples here. We need 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. Done.
There's the bread, a baguette just like Mom said.
Milk is here, and eggs. We need 1 of each.
Got the milk, got the eggs. Now what's next? Careful with the eggs. Don't want them to break. Let me check. We still need carrots and juice.
Where are the carrots? I don't see them anywhere.
There's the juice, just 1 bottle, only carrots left.
We looked everywhere. Where can the carrots be?
Maybe they're not here. What will we do?
Jack, look. That lady looks nice. Maybe she can help. Excuse me, can you help us find carrots?
Of course, I'm Cindy. What are you looking for?
We need 5 carrots for dinner. We can't find them.
We found everything else, just not the carrots.
Carrots are in the vegetable section. Follow me.
Wow, so many vegetables. Look, there are carrots.
There they are, orange carrots. So many to choose from.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We have 5 carrots.
We found everything. We found all the items.
We did it! We're the best shoppers ever!
Thank you so much. You helped us so much today.
We couldn't have done it without you.
You did a wonderful job. You're great shoppers.
Apples, bread, milk, eggs, juice, and carrots, all here.
Goodbye, Cindy. Thank you again.
Bye, Anna. Bye, Jack.
Time to go home. Mom and Dad are waiting.
We did it! Let's go home and show Mom.
I can't wait to see Mom's face when she sees everything.
She's gonna be so proud of us. There's our house. We're almost home.
We're home! Mom, we're home with everything.
We're back. We have so much to show you.
My big shoppers, you're home. Did you find everything?
Look, Mom, we got everything on the list.
Apples, bread, milk, eggs, juice, and 5 carrots.
Let me count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, everything is here. I'm so proud of you. You did such a wonderful job.
Wow, you really did it. What great helpers. Our family is so proud of our little shoppers.
Look, every item is checked off. We didn't miss anything.
Thanks for watching our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our family on more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.